video is when you're installing the Black Horse bull bar on a 2017 Jeep Renegade. You have to remove that plate that's underneath by that houses the transmission, all that other stuff. Got to remove that plate out in order to install this to that bar right there. After you remove that plate out, you can see the bar where these little U things attach over and hang down so you can attach the bar. If you don't remove that plate, you'll never figure it out. And they don't tell you because the instructions are all messed up when you buy it. See? Installation instruction. This is the illustration they give you. So you won't be able to tell what the hell is going on. And it says cut here, cut there. Cut notches. But that's bad. That's for that little mud flap if you got it on the Jeep. Cut that mud flap. But you have to remove that steel plate first. Off a 2017 Jeep Renegade. In order to install the Black Horse off-road bull bar with the slide plate, or skid plate, my bad. That's how you install it. Instructions are worthless, useless.